everyone, welcome back to another video, and I'm kind of in a rush because I'm going to like a really big indoor water park. I forgot what it's called, but it's like a hotel too. So it's really cool, but I just need to quickly make a video before I go. I might not upload it in time, but because we're leaving at 11. No, not 11, 4. And my time is 2 hours behind, so right now it's 3 o'clock, 3:40. So I need to quickly make a video, which is like 15 minutes or something. And then you upload it, which is like 10 minutes, and then it's like, So I just need to, well, they're not going to be here exactly at 4, so I do have a little extra time, but I need to quickly get into it. So I'm going to play 5 minutes at Freddy's, and I'm going to, wait. I'm going to show you the extras menus. The extra menu. The extras menu. Menus. Whatever. So, FNaF 3 and FNaF 4 are the ones that have it. FNaF 3, I could see how I could beat it on myself, because I did beat it on Nightmare Mode. But, yeah. On my iPad, I did beat Nightmare Mode, and it was so close. And now Steam's not launching. First one. Sister location. It's actually sister location. Baby's Nightmare Circus. There we go. Okay, here's Baby's Nightmare Circus. So, extras menu. All the animatronics, you can pause it, and you could like do that. It's I think it's free on not Steam, it's on Games Jolt. And your Baby, Laura, Funtime Freddy, and then unused material. And then, yeah. So that's that. Bunch of candies. I don't think that was on Steam. I'm pretty sure it was on GameStop. Like this dog walking around. Extras. Like this dog walking around and behind it's like a cat following it. Weird. Here's Candy. Candy the candy bar. Cindy, my cousin. Yeah, I have cousin Cindy. Chester, cheese. Penguin, my favorite character. Blank, the blank screen. Old Candy, and then just Old Candy Bar, yeah, that's his name. He's just trying to just like, hey, give me a hug. Okay, that's cringe. Ew. Some drawings. Ew, look at Chester. Ew, his teeth are probably bigger than his mind. His teeth are probably bigger than his future. But that's just Tom. That's Tom. Penguin. Vent doors? Oh yeah. Okay, so let's do that. Okay. Yeah, man, okay, this is gonna be quite a weird video, so I need to go to Find Race 3 if it works. It doesn't work. Not Steam games are working. Find Candies 2, and then Find Candies 3, and then I'm gonna end the video. Okay, yeah. Pause it. It's like headless guys, I guess, and there's only head and another headless guy. Oh, that honestly kind of scared me. Blank, Cindy, Candy, Chester Cheetos, Cheetos with Chester Cheetos, I think. Rat and cat. It's like, what was like someone's name and cat. Sam and cat. It's like this is Sam and cat. Okay, whatever. Sorry. Okay, 3. Okay, what? And then I'll end the video. Yeah, and if you click on this star right here, you'll get a thing, but it's a little too long. So I'm not gonna. Look at that head. Boom. It's like, I have a shock. Is that baby's head? Ew. Monster rat up close, cats, and then Venny. Ew. Making a rat. He like turned to the side. He's like, oh my gosh. Okay, that's nice. The arcade is like fishing with candy. You can see that on YouTube's video. YouTube video. Look at that. Oh, he has like a run up, like. Grrr! It's like, as a final stretch, and yeah, look at that dude, oh, look at that dude, he looks like a raw potato that got rotten. FNaF. Really? That was gonna be the map? That's okay, I'm happy. Oh no, that's the second game, I think. No, I think it's the first one does. Chester. That's weird. Shadow? Candy? He's like, hello, smile for me. Don't leave me. Thank you. Thank you for playing. He's like, please don't mess with me. Oh, it's like first game, second game, third game. I know this is the third game and this is the first game, but I don't know who this guy is. I wasn't if you can like click people. Click on. Ew, look at that dude! Oh, that must be in the second game. The third. Nightmare, guys. Okay, so yeah, that's okay. Well, actually, not YOLO it. You can see the time down here. I don't know if you can, but I can. If you click this, it's like this. You have to press spacebar to continue. I didn't even know. I thought you had like press enter or just wait, but then it's just like games, and then like this in the box is just like a teaser, I think, for a new game. Because that actually kind of scared me. Project Hope, yeah, this is not a Final Fantasy game. Okay, yeah, so that's that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and bye!